consider that your resume needs to be easy to read without any distractions, without any colorful text or colorful photo or illustrations or anything that would distract them from focusing on seeing your work experience or education or any relevant keywords. In this video, we're gonna talk about some of the do's and don'ts in regards to visuals and also content. I'm gonna give you a walkthrough of my own resume that got me hired at a bank and for several marketing agencies from past in Toronto, Canada. We can get us started by making sure that you know the basics. For example, no profile pictures because it's not professional to have your profile picture on your resume, and also you need to make sure that your resume doesn't have much color in it. In terms of visuals, you need to consider that your resume needs to be black and white with some hierarchy. For example, the titles are in black and bold and the descriptions are in dark gray or off-white with like a smaller font, and like your skills doesn't need to have a slider with some of the dots that we see. So skills can just be some simple words that you just maybe list them out as I'm gonna show you. Focus on making it very easy for them to navigate through the important things. For example, when they're scanning your resume, they can see all of the relevant information without getting distracted by icons or any irrelevant stuff. The next thing is that the alignment of your resume. So it needs to be in 2 columns. Let's dive in so that I can demonstrate to you pretty well. Please also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more product design and UX design videos. Okay, so this is my resume. As you can see, it's only in 1 page. First of all, let me give you an overview. So as you can see, it's in 2 columns. Everything is aligned, so it's clean and easy to read and easy on the eyes, and it's easy to digest from the recruiter's point of view because they don't have much time. They get like 200 resumes, and as I mentioned before, they might just only spend maybe 5 seconds on your resume and to just get the main points. And if they need to get to know more about you, they might click on your portfolio website or ask you for an interview. So don't overcomplicate it, make it very simple and just have the main points as you see in the job posting in your resume. Make your title and your description of your job very clear. As you can see, mine is like senior product designer. I have my and here I have a section for my contacts. So it's a portfolio, YouTube. A portfolio is at the top because it's the most important thing, and I want them to click on my website. The first thing that they see would be my portfolio, and then my YouTube, and then I have my YouTube here because I want them to know that I have a community of people that I like to educate. And then my email, which is important. You need to make it easy for the recruiters to contact you. So have your email and phone number, and also make it clickable. If you create in Figma, you can just highlight it, click on the link icon, and then you can type in your link. For example, my portfolio is a link, and my location. I didn't put my address, my full address, because I thought it's irrelevant. So I just have the main like city and country, and here is my experience. So I added these dots here because I wanted to have it in order for them to see the titles so that the eyes can follow the dots. It's like bullet points, but they're connected to each other. I have my experience here, so here are a few bullet points. I recommend you not to have like too many bullet points and to make your description very short and don't repeat yourself. Here, for example, for my current job, senior UX designer, I have my date of work here, and also I put the date here as well, so that it's easy for them to know like how much time do I work there, and also the city that I work there. For example, this one, UX visual designer and UX researcher of a B2C mobile app, work closely with CEO or visual designer of a web design project. You can get the idea of what I mean. So just have the key points from your jobs. If you don't have experience, that's totally fine. You can add the projects, for example, that you did on your boot camp, or you did when for your thesis, or the projects that you did as a like freelancer, or maybe your passion projects. So don't worry if you don't have a real job experience with a real employer. At least you can have your passion projects and your skills as well. Here is my education and the dates that I graduated and started, and my skills and my certificates. As you can see, I have my certificates as links here as well, so that they can just open it up. You can see that I have a course certificate and my languages. And also I recommend you to export your resume as a PDF file, and don't export it as JPEG, because some of the like systems that read the resume is more aligned with PDF, and they can just highlight the text on PDF. Let me show you some examples that are no-nos for resumes. This one here has the skills as pie chart, and these are some like motifs and illustrations, and the photography is not good to have. As you can see, it's very distracting, and the line height, the spacing between the lines are too packed, and also it's very colorful. This one was a template that I used from Figma's community, and I'm gonna put it in the description. I just deleted the photo, and also I used Craft AI in order to write the bullet points. Craft AI portfolio and resume writer. You just need to put some keywords here. For example, design, generate. Here it got me some bullet points which are great, and you can just it can be a draft. It doesn't have to be your final wording. You can just edit it by yourself to make it more like human and not less like a robot. And please make sure to keep it short. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know, and maybe share your resumes with me so that I can give you feedback. DM me on Instagram or comment below. I hope that you have a good luck on your job hunting process or on your resume creation. Just start off from the template that I showed you. Watch this video if you're new to design and you need to have some tips on portfolio. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.